Hey guys, I have got a Texas Gym pinned Schlage. There's the bit in. This came to me from Potti314. Check out his videos. I'll put a link in the description. So there's a slight hang. It's mainly if you try and do things fast, but yeah, it's not too bad. Okay. I've made one video which obviously didn't work. I used very light tension, which got me nowhere. Springs 3 and 4 just continually pushing down, so I'm going to have to put a little bit of tension on this, so there's going to be a wobbly camera, I'm afraid. Okay, let's pin 1, bit on 2, 3 is springing, that is 4. Bit on 5 and a bit on 6. This pick is a little bit fat for this, but I don't think my Euro profile will be able to take the strain, unfortunately. Yeah, it's a little bit on 5. Ooh, hey! Yes. Wicked. Oh, that worked out better than I thought it was going to. I've been stuck on Michael's Bergwacht Gamma, which is why I haven't done a vid. But okay, let's get this apart and have a look what's inside. My first Schlage. We got one of those things on here. I think I can just do this. Is it? I can lock it back up. Never done one of these, so it's There's my gem gone now. It's about as frustrating as a clip. See, we have a spring in here as well. Need a tool. Here we go. Here we go. We're in. Okay. I've seen that enough times. Okay. Oh, I didn't expect that to happen that quick, so. There's that hang. Okay. The key here, maybe it's a slight lip on number 3, which is where I think the hang is coming from. Unless you lift it up. But that's all it was. It was nothing too serious. Okay, standard steel. Standard steel. And again. And again. Sorry for the wobbling, I just wanted to get them out. A little look in the core. Anything exciting? Focus up there. Oh, right, hold on. Do that. That's better, isn't it? Oh. There. Nothing in there. What magic do we have up the top? Okay, we have a serrated commercial. And shallow spool. And another. Yeah, serious springs in the middle. I'm going to have to get them out. They're poking up in the chair, in the chamber. Serrated. And a spool with a less strong spring. Okay, so there is one spring left in there. I've dropped one somewhere. Where's the other one? I'll have to find it in a minute. So there's nothing up in the Bible. And there we go. So down the bottom we've just got all standard. And up the top, serrated, nice little shallow spool. Focus up, baby. A deeper spool. Two more serrated and a little fatter spool on the end. Lovely little pins. Tiny little pins. There's one of these springs. Thank you ever so much, Michael. Very much for that. It's the first American lock I've picked. First Texas Gym lock I've picked. First Schlage I've picked. Nice one. Very happy with that. Thank you very much, mate. And I'll get back to the Bergwachter now and have a crack at that. Take it easy, everybody. Catch you all very soon. Be good.